Wow. Sam, look at these huge stones. How did they even get there?
And why are they in a circle like that? It's like a giant puzzle.
I don't know, we should ask Professor Sage. He knows everything about history.
Yes, let's go.
Professor, we saw a picture of Stonehenge in newspaper, and they wrote that this is built in thousands of years ago.
What is the purpose for built this giant structure?
Stonehenge, one of the most fascinating mysteries of our world. People have been trying to figure out its purpose for thousands of years. Let's explore the mystery together, shall we? Stonehenge is located in England, and it was built over 4,000 years ago. It's made of two types of stones. The big ones, called sarsens, and the smaller ones, called bluestones. The strange thing is, these stones didn't come from nearby. Some of the bluestones were brought all the way from Wales, over 150 miles away.
How did they even move such heavy stones without machines?
That's part of the mystery. Some experts believe they used wooden rollers or sleds. Others think they might have used boats to transport the stones along rivers. It would have taken a lot of teamwork, strength, and clever engineering to get those stones here.
But why go through all that trouble to make a circle of stones? What was it for?
That's where the mystery deepens, Alex. There are several theories about what Stonehenge was used for, but no one knows for sure. Some think it was a burial ground, because human remains have been found nearby. Others believe it might have been a place for religious ceremonies, or even a giant calendar.
A calendar? How can stones be a calendar?
Excellent question, Sam. You see, Stonehenge is aligned with the movements of the sun. On the summer solstice, the longest day of the year, the sun rises directly above one of the stones. Some people think the ancient builders used this to mark the passing of time, like a giant stone clock.
So it could have been a calendar and a place for rituals.
Exactly. It might have had many purposes. Imagine the ancient people gathering here during special times of the year, watching the sunrise and performing rituals. It could have been a very spiritual and important place.
But how did they even build it? These stones are huge.
Some of the sarsens are over 13 feet tall and weigh around 25 tons. The people back then didn't have the technology we have today, so it's impressive. They likely used simple tools, ropes, and ramps made of earth. But still, it's incredible how they lifted those stones upright and balanced the horizontal ones on top.
And they did this thousands of years ago. It's amazing.
Absolutely. It shows how resourceful and determined humans were, even in ancient times. The fact that Stonehenge still stands today is a testament to their skill and ingenuity.
So, do we know for sure why they built it?
Not really. That's why it's still called a mystery. Even today, scientists and archaeologists are studying Stonehenge, trying to unlock its secrets. Some have even suggested that it might have had healing powers, while others think it could have been a meeting place for important events. There are many ideas, but no definite answer.
I guess that's what makes it so cool, right? The people still don't know everything about it.
Precisely. Mysteries like Stonehenge remind us that even though we've learned so much, there's always more to discover. And sometimes, not knowing the full story makes the place even more magical.
Do you think we'll ever figure it out?
Perhaps, but maybe the real wonder of Stonehenge lies in its mystery. It connects us to the people who lived long ago, and it keeps us asking questions. That's the beauty of history. It's always revealing new things.
I guess that's true. Even if we never solve it, it's still amazing to think about how they built something like this.
Indeed, Alex. Stonehenge will continue to inspire people for generations to come. Whether it was a calendar, a temple, or something entirely different, it remains one of the world's greatest wonders. And perhaps some mysteries are meant to stay unsolved, keeping our imaginations alive.